This is a discussion. 1996 A level structured essay 3. It's a optical instrument structured essay. That's all. A student has constructed an astronomical telescope using two convex lenses A and B, focal length 5 and 100. Which lens has to be used as the objective? All of you all know the objective lens will have the greatest focal length. So 100 centimeter will be the focal length of the objective. Right. B. Roman mark. Usually it is convenient to use a telescope in normal adjustment. State the reason for this. Normal adjustment means what? Object at infinity, image also formed at infinity. If image is formed at infinity, we can view it with a relaxed eye. Right there. The image will form at infinity. The image will form at infinity. Therefore, we can view it with a relaxed eye. Therefore, we can view it with a relaxed eye. We can view it with a relaxed eye. Okay. Roman 2. When the telescope is used in normal adjustment position, where will the final image be formed? It will form at infinity. What is the magnifying power of the telescope in normal adjustment? Now, don't get through anything. Directly we can write this structured way, F naught to Fe, 100 divided by 5, you will get what? Magnification 20. 100 divided by 5, magnification 20. Right. Part C, Roman mark. Calculate the distance between the eyepiece and the best position to place the eye when viewing distance object in the above mentioned normal adjustment. Right. What do you mean by this best position? Look at the board carefully. Best position means eye ring. You call that the eye ring. What do you mean by the eye ring? Wherever you take the object, the light rays will seem like to come. The light rays will seem like to come from the objective lens. The light rays will seem like to come from the objective lens. So don't forget, this is F naught, this is Fe, wherever the object is. This distance we can take as 105 centimeters. Focal length 5 centimeter here. So 1 over V minus 1 over U equal 1 over F. We apply for the eyepiece. If you apply for the eyepiece, object distance here is 105. Image distance we don't know, that's the eye ring position. Focal length is minus 5. Simplify this. Location of the eye ring. Location of the eye ring. That's 1 over 105 minus 1 over F. 105 here. 1 minus 21 there. Location of the eye ring. Location of the eye ring is equal to minus 105 over 20. Minus 52.25 centimeters. Minus 5.25 centimeter, that's the best position to place the eye. So what is the eye ring? The eye ring is the location where the objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. Right there. The eye ring is the position. The eye ring is the position where the eye ring is the position where the objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. The objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. The objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. The objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. Okay, no? What's the advantage of placing the eye at the above mentioned location? If you place the eye at this location, maximum number of light rays will pass through the particular point, so you get a bright image. Right there. Maximum number of light rays. Maximum number of light rays will pass through the eye ring. Will pass through the eye ring. Therefore, we can obtain a high intense bright image. 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 Right. Part B. An illuminated meter scale as shown in figure A below is placed in front of an object of a certain telescope such that the 50 mark is observed. When enlarged, how will you see it? Now 50 mark here, how will you see it? Even this length will magnify. How many magnification? 20 times. This is 50. Remember, it is the inverted and laterally deviated. Inverted and laterally deviated means the phi will be on the other side, like this. The phi will be on the other side. Inverted and laterally deviated. Okay, magnified also 20 times. Okay, no? The easiest way is you turn if you are writing this way, you turn it this way and write. Yeah. This way you write 50, that way you write 50. So it's inverted. Inverted means this comes here, this comes there. Lateral means left and right hand side will change. Left and right hand side will change. Okay, no? What is the linear magnification of the image? It's bigger. How will you do this? I think you have noticed how I do this. In one division, how many small divisions are there? As I can see, in one division, 3 small divisions are there. So magnification is 3 times. Magnification is 3 times. Magnification is 3 times. Indicate correctly on the figure B how it will appear. 50. 50 will appear like this. So magnification is 3. Figure will be seen like this. Figure will be seen like this. Not required to offer the correct magnification. So please remember, even though it's easy, you learn a very important concept here, the eye-ring concept. What do you mean by the eye-ring? Light rays, the objective lens, always like this, objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. The objective lens will act as the object for the eyepiece. Maximum number of light rays will pass through the eye ring. Therefore, that's the most suitable place to place the eye. Okay? Right. So, this is the conclusion of 1996 structure essay number 3.